Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy dollars on Binance using Easypaisa. First, you'll need a verified Binance account. Make sure your identity verification, or KIC, is complete to ensure smooth transactions. Also, confirm your Easypaisa account is active and has sufficient funds for your purchase. This initial setup is crucial for a hassle-free experience. Next, open your Binance application and navigate to the P2P trading section. Here, you will select the Buy option. It's important to filter the currency to PKR or Pakistani rupees to see relevant listings. Then, choose Easypaisa as your preferred payment method from the available options. This narrows down sellers who accept Easypaisa. Now, carefully review the available sellers. Look for those with high ratings and good completion rates to ensure a reliable transaction. Once you've chosen a seller, enter the exact amount of USD you wish to purchase. Double-check all details before confirming your order. This step initiates the trade and locks in the price. Finally, transfer the agreed-upon funds to the seller using your Easypaisa account. It's crucial to do this within the given time limit. After sending the payment, return to Binance and mark the order as paid. The seller will then release the USD, and it will appear in your Binance spot wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully bought dollars.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.